think I actually know what I'm doing this time. Well, it looks like I do, but I don't. Hi, it's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Kemi and welcome. Hi, how you doing? Today we're gonna be opening up December 2019's Glow Addict Beauty Box. This runs $18.99. It is plus shipping, so it ends up coming out to $21.99, and usually includes a mix of full and sample size products. Opening up the box, par for the course, they do not have a card included, so I have to look up all the pricing myself. Color Switch Duo, and this is by Vera Mona, and it's an instant brush cleaner. I saw this online. I'm so excited to get this. This is what it looks like. So this is like a black spongy material. Brush your brush in there and it's supposed to take off the color, which is so exciting. And this is the back of it if you're curious about the directions. Super excited to get this. And it's like awesome packaging. Definitely going to be putting this to good use. And this runs $19.99. Very, very nice. Very, very happy. It's Hashtag Brights by Ruby May. And this is a pretty fun palette. I've actually gotten this a few times in beauty boxes, never on camera. Oh no, it's broken. That's unfortunate. But that's what the palette looks like. Oh no, that's so sad. Oh, okay. It's really soft and creamy, so I hope there's pigment in this. So this is Hashtag LOL. Hashtag Bananas. Ooh, bananas look good. Hashtag Goals. Hashtag MOTD. Hashtag Glam. Hashtag Iconic. And there's definitely pigment. Hashtag Snatched. And hashtag Boo. Oof. So there's definitely a lot of pigment in this palette. Very rainbowy, very fun. All right, so I started out with Hashtag LOL, and seems like there's a good amount of pigment on there, so it's definitely showing up. I'm actually gonna try the brush cleaner. Let's see if we can actually get the color off. I'm just using it on this. Ooh. I'm just swirling it through. Well, I definitely see some yellow in there. Yeah, it looks like it got off a good amount of the yellow. I mean, moved it around a bit, but you know, a good amount. Hashtag Glam. So I started off with Hashtag Bananas. I wet the brush and basically just stamped it in. I used the pink on the outer corner and blended it out. These colors are actually a little tougher for me to blend out. I don't know if maybe it's because I wet the brush. Just a little tougher than normal for me. Feel like a little bit of a peacock, but that's good, right? Hashtag Snatched as a little eyeliner. I think I did an okay job, even though it was a little bit harder for me to work with. Lash Boom Sistar Lash Boom, and it's a high volume mascara. So I tried looking up the price on this. This particular product is no longer on their website. You can't find it. So I'm assuming it's out of production. It says that it was made in 2017, so it's pretty much going to expire next month because mascara is only good for up to 3 years. I don't know how I feel about that, like putting in a product that's just about to expire. I'm not a fan. That's why I couldn't find the price on this. So if you subscribe to the Glow Addict box, yeah, just be aware this particular mascara, gotta use it up quick because it's gonna go bye-bye real soon. All right, and that's what the packaging looks like. So that is the brush. Interesting. Smells like mascara. Look at the picture on this. This is what it says it's supposed to end up looking like, which I call BS. Like, what? Really, dude? There is no way my lashes are gonna look like that. They never do. Feels like the bristles on the brush are actually plastic. I don't know what they normally are, but they are definitely like plastic finger thingies. I'm actually really surprised that I like it. And it does create a little bit of volume. Like, you can definitely see it. I mean, the formula is going on well, but you can definitely hear it like brushing your lashes. So that is what it looks like. It's okay. Still a little sketched out by the fact it's going to expire next year in like less than 12 months. A pair of lashes, and this is from Venus Gale Cosmetics, and they look absolutely adorable. And these run $14.99. They are currently on sale on their website, so if you're interested, you can go check it out. And I'll leave a link down below if anyone's interested in subscribing to the Glow Addict Beauty Box. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I don't know what I'm doing, but I love doing it. This is what the Artemis lashes look like. They are super soft, super full, super fanny, everything I love in lashes. I think they're like 3D silk lashes. They're gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Well worth the $14.99 price, but like I said, it is on sale, so if you're interested, I'll leave a link below. Medusa's makeup, and it's Sweet Cheeks, and it's a peachy keen blush, which I love Medusa's makeup. I'm a huge fan of their stuff. I have gotten one of their blushes before. There was so much pigment in it, and I ended up using it as an eyeshadow just because I was like, yo, you guys are playing too much with the pigment. So I'm very curious to see what the peachy keen color looks like. It's a really soft pink. I don't know if you can tell, but there are little glitters in there, which I think is absolutely adorable. And Medusa is cruelty-free and vegan. And this one's $13. I'm gonna try and go as gently as I can because I actually don't wear blush. I can't see it. Problem is, I always go from I can't see it to, oh, too much. Yep, there it is. So this is what the blush looks like. That's the regular color of the blush. So it's nice and soft. Oh, wow, they do look really soft. This is awesome. That's it. That was everything in my Glow Addict Beauty Box for December 2019. A grand total of $72.97. So not bad, not bad. All right, that's it. That's my video. Goodbye.